You are welcome back to Custom Venture. Today we'll be putting us through how to make use of organza to design our fabric. Okay, the simple one I'm going to teach you is how to use it for gathering as an attachment to our skirt, underneath our skirt to form gather. Okay, the round circumference, the circumference of the nail that I have is 39. So I'll be cutting this attachment of organza to form gather. Okay, so the measurement I have here is about 46. So I cut it. Okay, and then I will pierce this, cut this into two. Okay, the measurement I need, the length I actually need is about 20. So I cut 20, sewing allowance I need 21, so that my fabric will learn not to waste fabric after watching this tutorial. We will watch not to waste fabric again after watching this tutorial. So all I need is the measurement, the length I need is just about 20. The sewing allowance 21, and this kind of material to be on the silver side, I added 1 inch. Okay, so I cut through this one, and then at the end of the style you will see it. So I will still have a little attachment of the male fabric to the edge of the skirt. Okay, I haven't cut this one. Nothing is going to be wasted. Even this one is going to be used. I haven't cut that. I can now pierce this into two, because if I was to pierce it to the other time, the material will have been wasted. Okay, after watching this tutorial, you will see that you don't need to waste anything. You know, designing is just about being creative. Being creative. You see that nothing should be wasted again. Okay, I've gotten for the under place, the attachment. Then this, I'll be using this one to cut the arm sleeve, the sleeve. Okay, and of course I'm going to line the organza. Okay, I'm using this one to cut the sleeve. Okay, the sleeve is going to also be gathered under the armhole, and then even around the hand. So the cutting is not going to be fixed tight one, so it's going to be a bit loose so that the gather will come off very well. And this place is just to give it the shape, because there's still going to be gathered there, so that it's fuller. Cut it as it depends on how full you want it to be. You can make your own bigger and make it fuller. Okay, but the little one that I cut, I said after this tutorial there will be nothing for you to waste again. The little that is cut here, of course, I will use it to design the front. By the time the full sewn cloth comes out, you will appreciate it. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. And with this one, waste no material again, and you just see the little one that is left over. Okay, God bless you.